Alright, so I'm sitting in my unit, and my dog's ashes are right next to me. So you're gonna see him, a little spot's moving around on my phone. That's Chulo. So that never used to happen. The spots you see right here on my phone, you're gonna see right here, and like one over here or something right here and right here. Those are splotches. Those are like smudges on my phone that will not go away. Now Chulo, on the other hand, is a little splotch that's running around here. Come here, Cho. Come here, Bubba. There he is, right there on the top. You see him? He's right there. He's moving around. There's nothing on my phone. There's no bugs in here doing that. That's my dog. That is Chulo. You see him? He's running around. He's in here. He's always with me. Everywhere he goes. Everywhere I go, he goes. See, those are the splotches. That's not Chulo. Chulo, that's Chulo. Come here, Bubba. Come here, baby boy. Come here, Cho. That was crazy. So he's just running around here. Still enjoying himself, doing whatever he wants to do because he's my buddy. But that's my dog. I know you guys are going to say I'm crazy. But that was Chulo. Come here, Cho. Chulo. Oh, maybe he's done. That was definitely Chulo.